This is demo 14B. This time I'm going to create a work plane, offset from this top face. I'm going to bring it up, let's say 2 inches. And I'm going to now project some geometry to this top face. I'm going to say right click on that work plane and new sketch. And I'm going to project the geometry of this shape that I created. And to do that, I'm going to have to click, it's not selecting it all on its own, so I'm going to have to click each piece of that sketch until it turns yellow. Okay, so now I have a projected geometry, and if you look, it's on the work plane, which is what I wanted. But I actually wanted this geometry to be a little larger than the original sketch, so I can now click the projected geometry and bring it out. I can bring it out as much as I want. Let's say 1 inch. This is, remember, the difference, the offset from the original shape. And so now I want a loft between the original sketch on the bottom face and the sketch on the top, but the loft tool will not allow you to have 2 shapes on the same sketch, which is what I have now because I have this original projected geometry and this offset geometry. And so I have to go back and delete. Whoa, I'm still on the offset tool. So I hit escape to get off of that. Now I have to go back and delete this projected geometry. So I just have to go through one by one and click, delete, click, delete. Okay, so now I have the sketches that I could use to loft. And so when I click on the loft tool, I'm going to start with sketch 3 and go out to sketch 7, and now the loft tool will work. And that is how to create offset geometry to a work plane. There's one more style I want to show you quickly. If I want to reuse the front face geometry, so this sketch on the back face, I can do that also, but I'm going to start a new sketch on the back face, and then I'm going to click project geometry, but I need to turn it back around to the front because I can't get to it from the back. And then I could just hover until I found that geometry again. So I'm going to just grab this inner one since it's the easiest one to grab and show you that it appeared on the back. So those are different ways to use project geometry and the offset tool.